Problem 29. It says the circumference of this circle C is 144 pi. So basically the circumference, that's the distance around, it's 144 pi. It wants to know what is the length of major arc AMB. So what's this length right here? Now, if this guy had gone all the way 180 degrees, that would have been half of that 144 pi. Because 180 degrees is half of a circle. So if it had been 180, you'd say, oh, it's just half of that 144 pi, so it's 72 pi. The problem is it didn't go half. It didn't open 180 degrees. So I know my answer is less than 72 pi. So with a multiple choice question, I could at least eliminate anything that's above 72 pi or 72 pi itself. To do this, what I have to figure out is, well, what fractional part of the circle are we dealing with here? It's not 180 degrees, but it's 120 out of 360. So to figure out how much we have here, it's going to be 120 out of the 360, which you notice is simply a third. So basically we've opened a third. So we need to figure out a third of 144 pi. So it's 120 3/60ths of 144 pi, which as we said is a third of 144 pi. Now again, this could have been 111 degrees. You would have done the same thing. You would have gone 111 degrees out of 360 times the total distance around it, 144 pi. So I've got 1/3 of 144 pi, a third of 144 is 48. So my answer, that's going to be 48 pi. And again, you got to think of it as simply, hey, if it went halfway, that would have been a half of 144. But it didn't. What fractional part did it go? 120 3/60ths of the 144 pi. And that's how we end up with our answer of major arc AMB's length being 48 pi.